Okay, so the first tip and trick is for beds, you can take pieces of cardboard, doesn't matter what they're from or whatever. Take some, so you need, to do this hack, you'll need some Craft Smart paint pens. I used the gold one for the lining and little golden dots on the thing. And I used a bunch of other sparkly ones for the rainbow. Sorry guys, it went flying over here. Had to pick it up. And for the pillow, it was just a little pillow thing I found at the store. You can use tissues, stuff like fabric, or even crocheted stuff. I don't know, stuff you get from Barbie sets for blankets, and things like baskets and storage units like this for beds. Then, for a cute little spinny table, here, let's get a shot of it. Like a better shot. Let's go up over to this spot, and I'm going to show you guys something it does. So if we set it down, here. I'm going to balance between my toes. No, guys, I'm sorry. Okay. Oops, sorry guys. Okay. So it spins like a lazy Susan. And so guys, I want to show you. Sorry guys, stuff keeps happening, you know. Okay. So the things I used, the materials I used were 3 little magnets. They look like this. A fidget spinner bearing, a coin, some hot glue, a piece of cardboard, and I just colored it gold. And then I just put this little thing here, and they actually Okay, sorry about the screaming, guys. My brother is being annoying right now. I don't know why. I'll have to move setup now. Can you stop? I'm trying to show people how I do stuff. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. My brother is just, like, really annoying me right now. Okay. So then I just because I figured out that the magnet and the coin actually attract together. Now you can't really see it well, so let's go in here so I can show you guys. And then if you want, you can put stuff on it for little decor. And there it is. A nice makeshift Lazy Susan table for Beanie Boos and LOLs. So I'm also going to compare size. So let's go, guys. I'll get an LOL and a Beanie Boo. 2 different types of, character, and fits the LOLs nicely. And it's like a really cute little coffee table, or just table for decor for Beanie Boos, as they are bigger. So just wanted to show you guys that one. And another tip and trick you can use is for your Beanie Boos, you can find stuff like hair clips and little, basically I got like this little hairpin kind of thing. It's a clip. And I also use these little wristband kind of things, because they actually work really cutely around Beanie Boo's necks as like little accessories or clothes. So you can just put these like in little drawers and stuff and do really cute Beanie Boo accessorized role plays with these. And then yeah, as I showed you at first at the start, the headboard is really cute because you can make whatever design you want. You can do something like I did, but I don't know how it'll turn out. You don't know how how long it's gonna take you, and yeah. So, second of all, with the pillows, I found a couple of other pillows, and I'm still probably gonna look for them. And for this, I give this a 0 out of 10. I actually prefer my mom's literal crocheted blankets for the Beanie Boos because she actually will help me with those kinds of things. She actually helps me with my videos a lot, so yeah. Anyway, so another thing I want to give you guys as a tip is to always, just have an interesting character to go along with the stuff. See, you need to make the stuff kind of based off of how your character is. See, do you think that all this pink and like rainbow stuff would fit a Beanie Boo that's more, guys, like, okay, let me explain. Do you think that it would fit a Beanie Boo like this? Yeah, kind of. But if the character's personality is basically like a gothic or whatever, I mean, it's honestly your choice. But I would go for darker colors, like maybe dark grays, light grays, blacks, greens, and like a couple of other colors. But anyway, just wanted to tell you guys that bit. And now, another tip for videos is, so something I tend to do a lot is I'll actually look over here instead of what it's filming on the camera. So I'll usually have weird angles like this sometime. And that's something you guys, I don't know if you should do. I mean, it's fine if you do, but I can't. It's hard. But so there. That's that bit. But anyway, guys, outro time. So guys, I'm sorry if that was a bit of a cringe video. Kind of a cringe video. But anyway, I hope you guys had an awesome time watching this video. So bye-bye.